How to use Canva to make money online. My another tip is to create a digital greeting cards. It's a great option. There's many things you can create. So how to do it? You've got two options. You can create a card in Canva, download it as a PDF with SMIC colors or PNG, and then upload it to your, let's say, Etsy account so people buy this card, download it and print it themselves. Or another option is to give access to your Canva design so people can personalize this card. They can insert their own name or their own text, but also images and videos, so they don't have to use this card as a printed card but as a kind of online card. In Canva there are plenty of, there are actually templates like for a folded card or for one-page single card. Who can you create these cards for? Well, you know, the opportunities or options are really limitless. You can create these cards for birthdays, for holidays such as Christmas, Valentine, for professions, for certain styles. Doesn't matter, it actually depends on your niche or depends on the style you like or what you prefer. You can create them in Canva, you can use your own illustrations, or you can buy the element illustrations in platforms like Creative Fabrica and create them with those elements. What I would be a little bit aware of is fonts and your rights to use certain fonts. Great option is also it's a digital greeting card, but of course you can sell this as a printed product, as a physical product with various POD companies, let's say as a Printify, Printful, Zazzle and so on. So there's plenty of options. It doesn't have to be only a digital product, it could be also a physical product. I will do a few more videos about POD companies, what are the advantages, talk about each of them and so on. So do your research, try it out today, do some, test them, and you'll see how it goes. But digital greeting cards, it's a great thing to do.